It's important to note that trying to make someone jealous is not always a healthy or productive way to approach a relationship. However, for those who are curious or seeking advice on this topic, here are 7 ways to potentially make a guy jealous. Number 1. Show interest in other guys. One of the easiest ways to make a guy jealous is to show interest in other guys. This can be as simple as talking to other guys in social settings, mentioning male friends or colleagues, or even flirting with other guys in front of him. However, it's important to note that this approach can easily backfire if the guy you're trying to make jealous isn't interested in you or if he becomes angry or upset. Number 2. Post pictures with other guys on social media. In today's age of social media, posting pictures with other guys can be a quick and easy way to make a guy jealous. This can be as simple as posting a group photo with male friends or even an ex-boyfriend. However, it's important to be cautious with this approach as it can also easily backfire or come across as petty. Number 3. Focus on self-improvement. Another way to potentially make a guy jealous is to focus on self-improvement. This can include improving your physical appearance, taking up new hobbies or interests, or even advancing your career. By showing that you're invested in yourself and your own growth, you may make him jealous or even inspire him to do the same. Number 4. Spend time with other people. Similar to showing interest in other guys, spending time with other people can also make a guy jealous. This can include hanging out with friends, family members, or even other potential romantic interests. However, it's important to make sure that you're not doing this just to make him jealous and that you're genuinely enjoying spending time with others. Number 5. Play hard to get. Playing hard to get is a classic approach to making someone jealous. This can include being less responsive to texts or calls, not always being available to hang out, or even flirting with other guys in front of him. However, it's important to make sure that you're not playing games and that you're being genuine in your interactions. Number 6. Be confident and independent. Another way to potentially make a guy jealous is to be confident and independent. This can include being comfortable with yourself, speaking up for yourself, and not relying on him for validation or support. By showing that you're confident and independent, you may make him jealous or even inspire him to be more confident and independent himself. Number 7. Be happy without him. Finally, one of the most effective ways to make a guy jealous is to simply be happy without him. This can include pursuing your own interests, spending time with friends and family, and focusing on your own happiness and well-being. By showing that you don't need him to be happy, you may make him jealous or even inspire him to work harder to make you happy. In conclusion, while making someone jealous is not always the healthiest approach to a relationship, there are several ways to potentially make a guy jealous. However, it's important to approach these strategies with caution and to make sure that you're not playing games or being petty. Thanks for being here. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.